Poverty lines. Poverty line is an amount or threshold of income per unit of time. The time could be day, month, or year, earned by an individual to meet a set of predefined minimum consumption needs. If a person's earnings are equal to or below the standard, they will be recognized or classified as poor. A household minimum can be estimated by considering a 5-member household. Now we will talk about two kinds of poverty lines, the absolute poverty line and the relative poverty line. Absolute poverty lines are fixed at the income equivalent of the amount of food needed to prevent starvation. The cost of necessary goods and services are sometimes included, in addition to food. Absolute poverty lines do not shift with change in a society's distribution of income over time. It is adjusted to inflation such that command over the necessary goods and services can be maintained when price of commodities increase. A relative poverty line, on the other hand, starts with the median household income in a society. A fraction of this median income is calculated. This is then held as the standard that would ensure access to social norms in the given society. Relative poverty lines are based on the concept of inclusion. As median incomes rise in a society, relative poverty lines rise with it. For example, in the European Union, national poverty lines are fixed at 60 to 70% of the median income. Relative poverty lines, unlike absolute poverty lines, changes with change in this distribution of income in a society. As societies get richer, additional resources will be required for providing the means for full participation of individuals in that society. Since 2015, the World Bank's Global Poverty Line uses the US dollar 1.90 as the threshold for the daily per person income. Since 2005, Government of India's poverty line uses rupees 27 and rupees 33 as the threshold for daily per person income in rural and urban areas respectively. In our present times, commanded by the COVID-19, a single N95 mask can cost up to rupees 100. A single vial of remdesivir, an antiviral drug, costs around rupees 5,000 to 6,000. A 50 milliliter bottle of Dettol hand sanitizer costs rupees 70. 1 kilogram of onions cost anywhere between rupees 20 to rupees 40 per kg. My point in giving you these examples from our times is to understand that poverty lines need to be revised to match with changing times. Thank you.